Hey YouTubers, this is NJ4Wider5 and looks like I got that package from Wes. I told Wes I'd open this up on film or on unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And yes, this is my actual voice. I don't know if the camera is even picking up my voice. I usually don't record my voice because I don't have too good of a camera right yet. Just yet. How the hell do you open this box? Let's see. There we go. Let's see what Wes gave me. Gonna be smarter than the box, Joe. Okay, I decided to talk on camera today whenever I'm not feeling too swell. Hold on one second. Alrighty. Bubbles. Looky here. Look at that. Look at that thing. $27,000 milliamps. That's a lot. A lot of power in a little box. Sorry. It's a RavPower Power Station Series portable power outlet. Let's open it up. I seen Wes unbox his the other day. So it's basically going to be exactly the same thing. Let's see what we have in here. Hello. Instructions. Problem card. Happy card. Okay. Looks like a book, what do they call those? Bookmarker. Wow. Must be like the traveling case part of it. Let's see. Plugs. Let's just rip that out. Thank you, Wes, by the way. I really appreciate it. This is the first thing I've ever won anywhere, ever. This is kind of a spendy gift, too. There we go. 19 volts, 1.6 amps. But it looks like they are missing. No, it's right there. But this was missing there for a sec. Now we get to look at this beauty. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was. I guess on camera, almost everything I see on camera, I always think it's smaller. Then I get it home, and I put it in my huge ass hands, and it looks tiny. I get that with most of the stuff I purchase. I see people review it online, videos and stuff, and I'm like, wow, that's pretty big. And when I get it, I'm like, whoa, it's tiny. Very small. I probably am not going to test this just now. I'll probably do another video later on with me testing it. I just wanted to unbox it and show Wes. Sorry about that. I only had the TV paused. Like I said, I'm probably not going to use it right now. I'm probably going to charge it all the way first. I think if I remember. I don't want to read the instructions. I'm one of those afraid to use anything until I know exactly how it works kind of guy. Hey, you know what? The one I seen online, the one I seen everybody reviewing, didn't have the extra earth plug. I know this is probably not earth because it's, you know, it's a power supply, but you can plug a lot more stuff in with the earth. I don't know what you want to call that. Earth hole. The ones I seen online that everybody was reviewing only had the 2, and they were complaining, saying these guys needed to add this, but it looks like this one actually came with one. Good job, RavPower. I cannot wait to use this. 27,000 milliamp portable power supply, power station series. It is iSmart USB output 1.5, 2.4 amp max, iSmart USB output 2, 5 volt 2.4 amp max, Type C output 5 volt 3 amp max. AC output is 110 volts 60 hertz, 100 watt max, 85 watt rated. So it looks like it'll run quite a bit of things. There's actually quite a bit of things you can run on 100 watts. I can use this for a lot of stuff. It is awesome. Wow. Again, thank you, Wes. 100%. Really appreciate it. This thing will get a lot of use. This thing will get a ton of use. I cannot wait to use it. Pretty neat. Of course, I've been saving this. I don't know how to say the name. Is it Ruding or Ruhing? Model UM25C. You know what? Let's open this right now. I ain't gonna use this one yet either, but I wanted to use this with this portable power supply to see what we're getting out the output. I also chat with the makers a lot. They're the ones that actually have to edit a video. Oh, I did this little baby. Let's see. It's 5005 DPS 5005, and I put 10 NCR 18650Bs in there, so it's got quite a bit of power too. 36, is it 36? 3,600 milliamps per battery. Yeah. The difference I did on this one is I actually put a BMS that had balance on there, and because I did that, space was very limited. It was a tight squeeze, but I have a video for that, and of course it was one of the first videos I did, so the video does not look as good as my most recent videos. As a matter of fact, there was a few times that I forgot to charge my phone or forgot that I didn't have enough space. But anyways, we'll save that video for something else. This, I got to mess with this, and I also told the people that make this, after I purchased it, nobody gave it to me. Nobody gave me the other power supply either. I purchased both. I told him I would try to review this online for him, you know, get him some more. I'm sure he gets plenty of business, but they're pretty cool. These guys have a lot of nice stuff. I could not wait to get this one. This one didn't have a protective face on it, or does it? I can't tell. It does, but just no protective film. Huh. That's kind of strange. I can't tell if there is or isn't. It looks like there might be. Oh, there is. Oh yeah. There's some protective film on there. I was kind of worried about all those scratches and stuff. Yeah, this is going to be pretty neat too. They put new plugs in there. I don't have, well yeah, I do have something I could test it with. I got this yesterday to test my Powerwall. I guess I could probably use this with this and with this and do some load testing, but I'm a noob, so anyways. Thank you, Wes. I appreciate it. We're doing some testing once I get everything set up. Again, RavPower. I don't know if it's got a name. Power station portable outlet. I didn't know if it said it was like a RavPower 4 or some crap like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.